Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make money playing Temple Run. While the game itself doesn't offer direct cash rewards, you can leverage your skills and passion to create income streams. Think of it as using your gameplay as a foundation for other ventures. We'll explore how to turn your high scores and engaging runs into a profitable endeavor, focusing on indirect but effective methods to earn from your gaming talent. One primary way to earn is by becoming a content creator. Record your epic runs, share your best strategies, and stream your live gameplay on popular platforms. Building a loyal audience of thousands of viewers who enjoy your content can open doors to monetization. You can earn through advertisements, channel subscriptions, and generous donations from your fans, turning your hobby into a source of income. To truly succeed, consistent engagement is key. Regularly upload new videos and streams several times a week to keep your audience growing. Actively respond to comments and chat messages, fostering a strong community connection. Sharing valuable tips and tricks, like how to achieve a 10 million point score, will establish you as an expert. Collaborating with other gamers can also introduce your content to new audiences. Beyond direct content monetization, diversify your income. Consider affiliate marketing by recommending products you genuinely use, earning a small commission on sales. You could also offer one-on-one coaching sessions, charging a fee for your expert advice. Creating branded merchandise, like t-shirts with your gaming logo, provides another revenue stream. Finally, keep an eye out for gaming challenges or contests that offer cash prizes for top scores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.